morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to review our lesson from last time, which was how do you estimate and measure mass? So remember, when we're estimating and measuring mass, we use our grams and our kilograms. So when you hear grams, think about a small paper clip. And then with our kilograms, imagine a dictionary or a book. So remember from our last lesson, we went through together and we chose which way to estimate, either with grams or with kilograms, depending on those numbers here as well, and which one would make the most sense. Now today we're going to learn to estimate and measure mass on a pound scale, or it can also be called a balance scale here as well. So since I'm working from at home, I do not have a balance scale here, but I did find a video that we are going to watch together and see how she teaches us to measure mass using a balance scale. So as we are about to start our video, she will be asking you questions on here as well, as I normally do in our lesson. So when she asks or poses a question, I ask that you hit pause and then answer it on your own, and then when you are finished, go ahead and hit play.
Trying to weigh up some rice for a dinner party I'm hosting later. Yes, I have friends. This bag of rice weighs 1 kilogram. A kilogram is a unit used to measure weight. We can abbreviate it by writing kg. But for dinner, I need 2 kilograms of rice. So I'm filling another bag. To make sure these two bags have the same amount, I'm weighing them on this balance.
think about those. Which would each of these pieces represent if you're going to 100 grams?
When we decompose our 100-gram bag into 10 pieces, we get 10 pieces of 10 grams. And come to think of it, if we decompose a bag of 10 grams into 10 pieces, we'd end up with 10 bags of 1 gram. Great work today. I don't suppose you want to stay and help me clean up, huh? Yeah, I didn't think so.
All right, boys and girls, so what I want you to do next is go ahead and get into those independent pages and do some work on your own. If you need to refer back to the video, you can, and there's also our anchor charts in there as well.